guys, today I'll show you how to fix OBS mic not working. So first let's open OBS view and let's head over to settings. So here I have the flash parameters, but you find settings there. Head over to the left hand bar and choose audio. So choose your audio by default. Here I have my audio as a default audio speaker, and here for the microphone you can also select your default microphone here. So here I'm using my microphone. For smart sound you can select your default audio and default microphone and click on apply and OK, and this should fix your audio problem in OBS. And that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave